Hey folks, so been messing around at home today, as you can tell by my tutorial videos from this late this morning, lunchtime. But I've been having fun in the garden, well, actually having fun from the kitchen window here, and managed to get a few bits and pieces, still chasing the elusive pied wagtail. But how many times have I said this? I packed the scope away, having recorded one of the male blackcaps, and right at the end, the female blackcap shows up, has a little feed on one of the apples, and came good. So hope you enjoy it. Stick with it to the end because that's where she is, and I'll see you soon. Stay warm, still a bit cold, isn't it? Back through the kitchen window. Just thought I'd try and get more blackcap because the female's been coming each morning, and I'm quite keen to get some footage of her. She's a lot harder to catch on here. In fact, I haven't seen both blackcaps at the same time for anything more than chasing each other around, so it's probably one of the hardest tasks of all. But also quite keen to try and get some footage of the goldfinches, which I've moved one of the bigger feeders, and they were flirting with it about 10 minutes ago, which is what made me get my scope out in the first place. And I've had a pied wagtail in the garden, which is really nice. They're out around the school, but rarely in the garden before this winter. It's barely worth it because I'm looking through the glass at an angle, but the mini goldfinch flock landed in the trees to the left, and I've been jumping around, staying out of direct view, so I'm getting masses of distortion. Keep your fingers crossed, you never know, one might still land on the feeder.